The government of Manipur has declared closure of all schools, colleges, universities and higher education institutions across the state on Monday, that is July 20th, to allow students to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 final. The order issued by the Education Department stated that the holiday will apply to institutions affiliated with the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Central Board of Secondary Education and other boards covering government-aided and unaided sectors. The FIFA World Cup final is scheduled to be played at 12:30 a.m. on July 20th, and the decision was taken to enable students to enjoy the global sporting event. The order was issued by Imphal Geoffrey, Commissioner cum Secretary to the Government of Manipur on behalf of the Governor of Manipur. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Chief Minister has also announced holiday on July 20th to allow people, particularly students and sports enthusiasts, to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 final.